Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the file cannot be found error in Adobe Illustrator. Here you can see that I have a design on the artboard. To save this design as a separate file, I go to File and then click on Save As, but suddenly this crazy tool shows me an error. It says this file can't be found. If you are facing this kind of issue too, then this video is definitely for you. First, go up to File, select Document Color Mode, and change the color mode. Choose CMYK color mode if you are using RGB, and if you're using CMYK, select RGB. After that, go back again to File, select Document Color Mode, and now switch it back to its original color mode. I was originally using RGB, so I will select it here. This will refresh the project color codes and hopefully solve your problem. Now, if I go to save it again, you can see that it lets me save the file. If this doesn't work for you guys, try saving the file in a different format. For this, go to the Save As option again. Click on File Type and change the file type to any different format. For this kind of work, it's best to save in SVG format. Here, you can see that the file is now saved in SVG format. But if you don't want to change your file type, there is another way to do this. Select all the elements on the artboard by pressing Ctrl+A. Now go to File and click on New. Select any artboard from here and click on Create. Paste the elements by pressing Ctrl+V. Now try to save the file again. Here you can see that we have saved our file successfully. That's it, guys. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.